of the right to property in India, highlighting its transition from a fundamental right to a constitutional safeguard. Evolution of the right to property. Initially enshrined as a fundamental right in 1950 under Articles 19(1)(f) and 31, the right to property faced conflicts with state land reforms. Key amendments reshaped its status. The First Amendment 1951 introduced Articles 31A and 31B to protect agrarian reform laws. The Fourth Amendment 1955 clarified state acquisition powers and made compensation non-justiciable. The 25th Amendment 1971 replaced compensation with amount to limit judicial scrutiny. The 44th Amendment 1978 removed property from fundamental rights, establishing Article 300A, which states that deprivation must be by law. Significance of Article 300A. Article 300A provides legal protection against arbitrary deprivation of property, requiring due process and legislative authority. While it does not explicitly mention compensation, the Supreme Court mandates that compensation must be just and reasonable. Remedies for violations are available through High Court petitions under Article 226. Judicial interpretation. Supreme Court rulings have shaped property rights, emphasizing due process and the human aspect of property rights. Notable cases include Kameshwar Singh v. State of Bihar 1952 and State of West Bengal versus Bela Banerjee 1954, which highlighted the tension between property rights and state reforms. R.C. Cooper versus Union of India 1970 reaffirmed the need for real compensation. Vidyadevi v. State of Himachal Pradesh 2020 emphasized the right to property as a human right. A recent ruling in January 2025 reiterated the constitutional nature of property rights and the necessity for adequate compensation. The evolution of the right to property reflects India's socio-economic priorities, balancing individual rights with state needs for development and public welfare.